We've got updates. So, suspension's all back in together nicely, good. Chains on, that's all done, that's done, that's on. This is on. We've got the key switch fitted, nice. It's all done. So, just let's go for a ride, shall we? Except when we turn the fuel on, see the fuel running in then? Yep, that goes into the carb. Keep watching. Sometime later, that starts leaking. And I know what you're thinking. You think tighten that screw up, don't you? But trust me, that fell off. That's smoked up tight and you don't know what. Let's just take the carb off then, shall we? Great. Perfect. Okay, so that's off of there. That's off of there. See that little silvery bit down the bottom? That's the nose of that. Drain screw. That's all it is, drain screw. But that's tightened in there as tight as it can go. And it's obviously not sealing. So, that's fun. Or, what's that do? Is that like an overflow? Is it filling up and then pouring out? Let's put a bit of something in there to see if that is the culprit or if this is the culprit. Yeah, let's do that. Float bowl, about to spill. Fill out with brake cleaner. Not very secure in there, see? And that's not leaking. So drain screw is okay. The carb must be filling up and making it go down that hole there. So that means a float needle probably stuck open. Let's do a carb rebuild then, shall we? Haven't found much wrong with it, it's just a bit old. That's the needle and seat. The O-ring on the seat was hard and horrible. So I'm going to see if I've got one. That might be it, otherwise it's new needle, new seat, new stuff. Do it on cheap. That one worked. Well, I think it did. Anyway, we're having a bit of a test here. I'm learning my lessons slowly. I'm not fitting the carb back onto the engine and then testing it. I've just hooked it up to the fuel line. So we're just waiting to see if that leaks. And so far, so good. So obviously the full rebuild just consists of blowing stuff out with the airline. No new parts whatsoever. Perfect. Except for that O-ring on the valve seat seal. Needle valve, not needle valve, float valve. So far, it might have fixed it. It'll wait until I put it back on the bike before it starts leaking, obviously. But so far, so good. Or it's just run out of fuel and there's no more fuel going in. But if you look here, you can see the level of fuel. See the fuel level there? So it's there. Woo! That will piss everywhere. Stay there. Stay there. Stay there. That was balanced a minute ago. Is it leaking now? Is it leaking now? We're looking at that little thing there, look. Focus. Fuel on. I think I fixed it. That'll do. Okay, we got updates. I think it's time for our first ride, you know. That's all back in and it's not leaking. It's all done. I haven't started it yet. So I'll fire it up and then take on a ride, shall I? Let's go.